Hey guys, this is Lax from North Phoenix. Today I'm going to show you some video about how not to kill a plant, a tree. Alright, so I planted Feijoa, which is pineapple guava, 2 months ago, and I shared it with the 60%. All is well, but what I noticed this location, especially this part in my yard, as I water my banana, star fruit, avocado, and also I don't know from where the water is draining. Look at that, the water here never drained. I tested this when I was planting, it was good, but after planting, as I started watering, I found the tree was not doing good. It was completely stressed out, losing the leaves one by one. Then eventually the big tree, like 7 feet tree, ended up like 3 feet, where I have to cut all of these. Then I noticed it's not going to come back. So what I decided, rather waiting, I want to check what the hell went on. And I found somewhere the water is draining, I think from the mulch all around. The water drains and unfortunately landed in this spot. So that means there's no way it was drying. So but I was watering only 15 days once. First 2-3 weeks I was watering like 3 days once to ensure that the roots are getting the water. But no matter what, I took care. My first failure on a fruit tree, and I feel very bad. That's okay, but I just wanted to take this video to ensure that no others does not fail. So that means lessons learned. After digging the hole, don't plant the tree the same day, which I don't do because last year I dug almost 13 holes. I never planted on the same day. I ensure that at least 2 weeks I wait and understand the drainage system around, so that I know my watering levels. But this one I planted on the same day, assuming that I should be able to take care of watering. But no matter what, the experience, unfortunately, I made this beautiful pineapple guava, Feijoa, to die. Guys, my research continues on how did this happen to Feijoa, my beautiful Feijoa. So more than emotion, my money, I was totally surprised with my first fruit tree in last 2 years that is dead, regardless of my care. So I was looking at the various options here, what's going on, and I do see the leak in the east side. Right, it was continuously leaking, and the last 24 hours I noticed the water stagnating at the bottom. That made my Feijoa, I believe, to get rotten under in the bottom of the tree. However, I was taking a close look, and if you could see, there's some good amount of water. Might be from the vegetation close by. I have a couple of veggie plant next to my papaya, and you also know my 2 years papaya too dead all of a sudden. So if my understanding is correct, there's somewhere the pipe is leaking, because of which it killed my papaya and also my Feijoa. Oh man. All right. These are beyond our control, unfortunately. After planting, we do not know what's happening underneath your fruit down. Sometimes this happens. Anyway, this is the retrospective, trying to understand what went wrong.
முத்திருது அட்வான்ஸ் ஸ்டேஜ்